How to get Hulu on your Vizio Smart TV. Step number 1, verify TV compatibility. Ensure your Vizio Smart TV is from 2016 or later, as these models support the Hulu app. Step number 2, connect to the internet. Press the V button on your remote to access the SmartCast home screen. Navigate to Settings, Network, Network Status. Select your Wi-Fi network and enter the password to connect. Step number 3, access the App Store. Press the V button again to open the SmartCast home screen. Navigate to Apps and select the All Apps tab. Step number 4, search for the Hulu app. Scroll through the list of available apps to find Hulu. If it's not visible, use the search function to locate it. Step number 5, install the Hulu app. Highlight the Hulu app and press OK on your remote. Select Add to Home to install the app. Step number 6, launch the Hulu app. Return to the SmartCast home screen. Navigate to My Apps and select the Hulu app to open it. Step number 7, log into your Hulu account. Enter your Hulu username and password. If you don't have an account, follow the on-screen instructions to create one. Step number 8, start streaming. Browse through Hulu's content library and select the show or movie you wish to watch.